As well as getting Shelley's and my 2 bobs worth, today their newly acquired agents are arriving to get that all-important first look at their homes and give the couple some timely feedback.
Hello! How are you?
Steph and Dave rocked up from Bell.
Good to see you. Very excited to see them. Got David on board.
First off, what's already been done in the old parts of the house.
I love the colour.
This feels really nice. He's been in the game a long time. He's got a lot of experience, knows his stuff. He's done the block for 10 years. This is number 10 for him. He's very, very excited to have his knowledge and expertise.
It's a good size.
Yeah. Michael and Josh from McGrath came and had a look at our house.
How's the ceiling? That's fantastic. It's
cool,
That's gives a great sense of space. That's important.
They were really excited about what we've done so far to the place. Another skylight in here.
Yep. All natural light's important, so you're on the right path there, so don't change anything.
So we walk in through the ensuite.
Okay.
They even showed them the controversial ensuite.
Anything in particular they didn't like?
No, not really.
And how's this going to be set up in here?
So this is going to be vanity, either side of the doorway.
Right.
Toilet over in that corner.
Okay.
And then a big shower in this corner.
Yeah, cool, good.
Yeah, so it should work pretty well.
So that's good, hiding the pan here from when you open the door?
Yeah.
We are so stoked with our agent.
We needed to get Maddie and Ilana on deck.
Marty.
So Marty. All right, Marty. Marty, you know, we'll like to get the Fox team on board. Fantastic.
And what's her name?
Lana.
Ilana. Lana.
Oh, my God.
Marty, how are you?
Hello.
Good to see you.
Good seeing. I'm glad you're here.
Hello.
Good morning.
Lana.
Welcome home.
How are you?
Wow. Insane, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's their first viewing of the house.
Look at
This is now the master.
This is the master bedroom.
How nice is this window as well?
I know.
Beautiful natural light coming in. Well done with that, guys.
Yeah.
That's incredible.
They're so excited. They think this is the best house, which is really reassuring for us.
Your pitch roof ceiling heights are just
They
off the
look-
scale.
They are.
They really are.
They're young guns.
Young guns, yeah.
They've sold a lot of properties in South Yarra, Toorak,
Yep.
a lot in Brighton as well, and we're very confident in them as our agents. They're going to be amazing.
Yeah, I agree.
Hey, guys, we bring gifts.
Thank you.
There you go.
Harley and Sonia came through. Welcome to the team.
Thank
Lovely.
you so much.
We're thrilled. Can't wait. Let's have a
All
look.
right, okay, this is master.
We just spitballed a few ideas, gave them a vision of the master that they were standing in because it was just still gyprock.
I wasn't big on the curtains.
No, no.
So we're going to do
Shutters are nice.
And they were really impressed with our vision and where we were going and what we had done.
You're delivering an expectation of what buyers are going to
Right.
want to see, so I just love the detail.
It looks great. Thanks, guys.
It was good to have them there. They're going to be a great resource.
Peter from the agency, we acquired as our real estate agent.
Knock, knock.
With that team, we have Jesse from the block last year as well.
Frank at 2.5 million.
And that is who Sarah said to me she wanted as our agent before we came on the show.
I love this.
It's cool,
This looks amazing. This has actually got grandeur.
Peter's pretty blunt, pretty straightforward.
Okay, this is a good one to look at because I'm quite interested with your thoughts around the style and what the judges have said.
Yeah. He goes, if I see what I don't like, I'm going to tell you because we're here to make money, right?
Would you say keep the study or turn it into a walk-in robe? We just asked because Sheena said that we should turn that into a walk-in robe because of our grand ensuite.
Let me put it to you this way. What about the teenager
That's what we were saying.
doing year 12, year 11?
right. Yeah.
Especially this day and age where
Yeah.
kids are staying home for a lot longer. Keep it exactly how you've got it.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. Really clever idea, guys.
Awesome.
Really clever.
You know, we're taking that first, the judges' feedback to heart, but then the agent says, mate, you've smashed it. It's great.
That must give you a lot of confidence.
Yeah, it does give us a lot of confidence because you know what? We want our agent to be passionate about the home we create too.
Correct.
So if we're all loving what we're doing, well then it's a good outcome for everyone.